Today we're going to talk about surface area of solids. Surface area of solids includes lateral area and total surface area. The difference between lateral area and total surface area is, in total surface area, the area of the bases are included in the calculations. Meaning, for total surface area, you will have to get the lateral area plus the area of the base, or bases, depending on whether you have prism, cylinder, or pyramids. In the case of pyramids or cones, where you only have one base, to get the total surface area, you will have to get the lateral area and add the area of that one base of your pyramid or your cone. So, to reiterate, lateral area does not include the area of the bases. Total surface area includes the area of the bases. Let's begin. Prisms and cylinders are clustered together in this formula because they pretty much have a very similar way to find their lateral area. Let us begin. The lateral area of a prism is perimeter times height. Perimeter of the base times the height. In the case of cylinder, we know that the base is a circle, so instead of perimeter, we're going to get the circumference times the height of your solid or the height of your cylinder. Let us now discuss about pyramids and cones. So a couple of things first, some parts. This is a vertex and that's a vertex. However, that vertex has a special name. It's called an apex. An apex is the vertex that is found on top of your pyramid or your cone. This flat surface surrounding your pyramid is called the lateral face. This is your slant height. In the case of your cone, that's your slant height. This is your altitude. The altitude is a perpendicular segment that connects the vertex or the apex to the base of your figure. So in this case, this is your altitude right here. And in this particular case, I am going to call this as a square pyramid. A square pyramid is when the base has a shape of a square. Pyramid that has 6 sides at the bottom is called a hexagonal pyramid. Therefore, a pyramid is named after the shape of its base. So let's now begin discussing about the lateral area of both. Looking at the pyramid, the lateral area is 1/2 slant height times its perimeter. Notice that in the case of a cone, we have a very similar formula in finding the lateral area of a cone. It's 1/2 slant height times circumference. So in this case, it's called perimeter. In this case, it's called circumference. And once again, those are the lateral area. To get the total surface area, all you need to do is to add to them the area of their base. Now let's discuss the last and final solid that we have, which is a sphere. A sphere has a formula of area equals 4 pi r squared. Sphere has no base, so therefore it only has one total surface area, which can be calculated by following this formula that I have with you right now. So let us begin and try to solve for the area, total surface area of this sphere on the right, given the radius 6. So let us substitute. So the area is equal to 4 times pi times 6 squared, in parentheses. If you place this in the calculator, it will give you a calculation of the total surface area of the sphere being 452.389 square inches.